Good evening, everyone. Jack McCarty here through WeatherWatcher forecast on the Saturday, February 9th, 2013. A storm that just moved through. It's definitely on everyone's mind with the amount of snow it dropped. So let's look at some totals in New Jersey. Rivervale came out on top with 15 inches. Plenty of other places got well above a foot. Newark Airport reported in just under a half a foot. New Brunswick, we came in at 8.2 inches. That makes up the majority of our month so far and nearly half of our whole entire winter season. If we look at this video that Tyler Case sent in, Pan Skelly Field, and you can see snow everywhere. This pretty much is what our campus looks like. It's a very pretty shot with that sunset in the background. And this can lead us right into our daily almanac. Today we saw a high of 35 degrees out there with a low of 24. Not too far away from our averages. Sunrise this morning is at 6:58 a.m. Sunset tonight was at 5:26 p.m. If we look at our national satellite, this high pressure system's moving in as the storm starts to go off into the coast. This high pressure system's pretty dry, so we won't see any potential flurries in our region. And this is going to make it so we're going to have some cooler conditions along with some clear conditions out there. If you look closely, you can see some of the snow cover left over by this storm. Now, if we look into the Midwest, there's definitely a lot of weather happening over here. This low pressure system is going to bring in a possibility of freezing rain and heavy snow for the Dakotas and Minnesota, while there's going to be some rain happening in the majority of the Midwest, and then further down south, even some thunderstorms happening. And this system's eventually going to move over, bringing us another threat of freezing rain and some rain, but more on that later. Let's look at our forecasted low temperatures for our region. Newark's forecasted for 17, Camden 18, Baltimore 25. State College is going to be a little chilly at 13, but nothing like Albany at 1 degree up there. It's going to be very cold. And Stamford will be coming in at 16 degrees. For your night tonight, New Brunswick, though, it's going to be 11 degrees out there. It's going to be clear conditions like I was mentioning earlier, but those winds, 12 miles per hour, gusting up to 24 miles per hour, definitely going to make it cold out there. So if you're going out tonight, wear a coat. Make sure you bundle up, especially with the snow out there. It's going to make it feel a little bit chillier than you're used to. For your day tomorrow, it's going to be clear out there, high 35, very relaxing Sunday. Winds will be variable, eventually coming out of the north, 5 miles per hour. And as we go into Sunday night, we'll hit a low of 28. Clouds will start increasing. There's a possibility of freezing rain late at night around 1 a.m. It's eventually going to transfer over to some rain around 5 in the morning for your day Monday, where winds will be calm on Sunday night. But like I was saying, we're going to see some rain on Monday. There's an 80% chance, and that could be some freezing rain here and there, definitely way into the early hours. But we're going to have some warmer temperatures up there, a high of 48 and a low of 34. Tuesday will pass through, and we'll still have some higher temperatures, a high of 46, low of 26. It's going to be hard for that snow to stay on the ground. Wednesday we'll have a little bit more cloud cover with a high of 40, a low of 29. And Thursday we should be mostly sunny out there with a high of 42, a low of 27. If you want to stay tuned to WeatherWatcher to see what's happening, or if you have any pictures to share with us, you can go to RUTV Channel 6 every 15 minutes. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter. Definitely post your pictures, anything that's happening around campus, and we'll share it with everyone else. And you can always go into rutv.rutgers.edu. For RUTV's WeatherWatcher, I'm Jack McCarty. Have a great night, everyone.